Hey guys, my name is Sam and today I want to take a quick look at the Air Force 107 by Nike. This comes in a grey Nike box and inside you get the shoes in AF1 branded wrapping paper, and what's nice is they threw an extra set of sail laces to match the shoe. Pretty standard, but we're not here for the box, so let's get right into the shoes. This is the Air Force 107 Premium in this sail colorway. These days it feels like Nike tries to throw around the term premium very loosely, but this Air Force 1 feels just like that, with premium features like the soft padded canvas upper, metallic eyelets, and probably a standout feature, the reflective 3M piping across the upper, so expect these to pop at night. I also like the old school distressed tongue, but what I love most about this is that Nike didn't add too much of a premium to its price, pun intended. I picked these up at size and they cost just £95, which is about £20 more than a regular Air Force 1. But yes, let's address the elephant in the room. This looks very similar to the Travis Scott Air Force 1. I don't think it's a coincidence that Nike released this on the same week as the Travis Scott Jordan 1s as well. Well played, Nike. But back to the shoes, I usually don't recommend people getting the cheaper alternative. I always say get the real version because you're always going to get the quality. But these are just way too similar for you to not enjoy it. It both shares that white midsole, caramel gum outsole with a sail upper. Yes, these aren't as clean as the Travis Scott, but I do like the peachy reflective overlays. It adds a nice contrast while still remaining quite clean. However, I feel like this release will benefit the three main parties who may be interested in the shoe. Number 1, those who, myself included, can't afford the Travis Scott Air Force 1. 2, those who have the Travis Air Force 1 and want a similar pair to rock while they keep their Travis Scott DS brand new with all the special accessories. And number 3, someone who just likes the shoe and likes the design and wanted to see if it's worth picking up. Let me know what category you fit into. I think I'm a mix of both 1 and 3. Back to the shoes, the padded upper feels very soft and cozy. It features that thick classic Air sole for decent comfort, and I would recommend going down half a size or stay true to size if you have wider feet. These do fit a little bit bigger than the regular Nike Air Max size or Jordan 1 size. So I just wanted to give you guys a quick look at the shoes and share my thoughts. Now it's time for yours. Would you pick these up? Would you pass? Let me know your reasons in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give this a thumbs up and comment Scott to show me you watched this video to the end. Please subscribe if you like my content, and as usual all other links will be in the description. Apart from that, have a good day.